Well, I love to say, take a look at the 5 people that are closest in your life and look at how are their relationships, how is their health, how is their lifestyle, how is their attitude, and look at the people you're taking advice from. And we are the average of the 5 people who we spend the most time around. And so one of the people I love hanging out with is Jen Williamson of the Unshakable Family and Unshakable Marriage. And I will say that communication is her forte. And if I had to kind of rate all those things with her, she's on a scale of 1 to 5. She's probably a 20 in all of those areas. But communication is her forte. And I love how she always says we speak our future into existence. And who is the most important person that you speak to? First, it's yourself, right? And then it's all the family and the people closest around you. And she has taught me personally how to react in a really calm way, and that will get me the results that I want. And I'm so impressed that she's just been so hard at work creating all this great content for the beautiful community of the Unshakable Family and Unshakable Marriage, so more families can thrive rather than just only survive. And she's taught me so much about communication. She's really helped improve the way that I communicate with my family and all those around me. And so, Jen, I love all your content. Just keep it coming.